If you consider all major catastrophes that happened somewhere in the world over the past 40 years, more than half of them happened here in the US since 2001. First thing starting with 9/11. A few weeks later we have the Enron crisis, the anthrax crisis, 04, 05, 7 major hurricanes. The question is, who will pay for the next catastrophe?
For many years we have believed that we're living in a no-risk society, that someone is going to bail us out. What we are facing now is more severe hurricanes, rising sea levels, and the threats of much more severe flooding. We need to take more responsibility for dealing with these losses. Insurance premiums should reflect risk. If insurance premiums reflect risk, people will know how safe or dangerous it is to move into a hazard-prone area.
The system that we're in today isn't going to be sustainable in the event of serious weather. We saw in Florida after Hurricane Andrew, the buildings that were built to the new standards withstood significant storms much better than those that were built before. Building codes make an enormous difference.
The hardest obstacle to overcome is lack of planning. It requires political leadership. It requires perhaps building institutional structures that invest money over the long term.
We wrote this book so many people, ranging from concerned citizens to top leaders, could have all the evidence they need in one place to make good decisions. But we need to act now.
Crisis shows us what can happen when we don't take the risk of catastrophe seriously due to short-term thinking. We need to implement innovative long-term strategies to have any hope of winning the war against the weather.